Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun Halloween video, I'll be showing you how to make a Frankenstein Popsicle. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Frankenstein ice cream, let's begin with the top. So I'm going to start right up here, and I'm just going to begin by making a line that's just going to kind of come over, and then I'm just going to kind of curve it down like this. Next, over here, I'm going to make a couple little lines that just kind of go in and out, and then in and out here. So it kind of looks like there's a bite taken out of there. Next, let's go ahead and draw this line down. Then let's make this really kind of like wavy and like wiggly, so it looks like something's kind of dripping down. So we're going to make these lines like different shapes and sizes. Next, I'm going to start in a little bit, and I'm going to draw lines just going to kind of curve down and in. And then same thing here, I'm just going to kind of go down and then bring it in a little bit. I'm going to make just kind of like a couple little smaller drips here, just to add a little bit of detail to our ice cream. Next, I'm going to make the popsicle sticks. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to make two of them. I'm going to make one that's just going to kind of go down and up like this. And then I'll make another one here. It's just going to go down, and then we'll curve it around and bring it up here. Now on the sides, we're going to make it look like there are bones sticking out. So I'm going to make two lines here. Then I'm going to make two lines here. I'm going to make a curve here, and then a curve here. I'll do a curve here, and then a curve here. Next, let's work on the eyes. I'm going to begin by making a circle for an eye. Then I'm going to make another circle for an eye over here. I'm going to make a big circle towards the top, and then we'll make kind of like a smaller circle at the bottom, and then we'll just kind of color in the rest of it. We'll do that same thing on both eyes, just kind of color in right around here. Next, I'm just going to make kind of like a wiggly line that's just going to go right across here. Then I'm going to make a line that comes down on each side, and then I'm just going to kind of color in that eyebrow a little bit more. Right here, let's make a little diagonal line, and then let's put some stitches on there. Then, up here, let's go ahead and make some sprinkles. So I'm just going to make some of these kind of little skinny oval shapes, and we're just going to put these all around here just to make some fun sprinkles on our little kind of Frankenstein ice cream popsicle. So we're just going to put some little random ones on here, just going all different directions. And there you go, there is your drawing of a fun little Frankenstein ice cream. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed.